In this video, I'm going to talk about RACI Matrix. Imagine that you have joined an ongoing project. One of the first things you'd like to know is who is doing what in the project, meaning the roles and responsibilities of the stakeholders. Where would you get this information? RACI Matrix. RACI Matrix is a responsibility matrix to show the roles and responsibilities of stakeholders in a project. Identifying the roles and responsibilities clearly enables smooth team working and also helps in avoiding conflict. RACI is an acronym. It stands for R, which is responsible. This talks about the person who is responsible for executing a task. A stands for accountable. This refers to the role of a person who is responsible for getting the task completed. C stands for consulted, the person or the roles who provide information about a particular task or whom the responsible person can go for consultation. I stands for informed, people who are supposed to be informed about the task in progress or the completion status. Let's take an example. Let's consider an example RACI matrix created to show part of the data from a project's RACI matrix. The table shows a few requirements development stage activities. These activities include conducting elicitation meetings, creating wireframes, preparing requirement specifications, and so on. The stakeholders are listed in columns and the responsibility in the form of R, A, C, and I is also indicated for each of the stakeholders. You can see that there are multiple I's and multiple C's in the table. I will also discuss some of the rules or the best practices which must be used in creating a RACI matrix. What makes a RACI chart or a matrix useful? The first point is it is a simple diagram which can be seen, understood by most of the people. It's a very easy to understand visual diagram and it clearly depicts who is going to do what. Another aspect of RACI matrix is that it helps you in setting up clear expectations about the project roles and responsibilities. A team member is encouraged to take responsibility of the assigned task as it is clearly evident in the table. And in case the person is not available, it can be assigned or deferred to somebody else or delegated to somebody else. This removes the possibility of personal judgment and politics. Clarity on roles and responsibilities always reduces the miscommunication and increases productivity. The third important point about RACI matrix is that it clearly describes the stakeholders in the decision making and approval roles. As you know, in every project, we need to get certain things signed off and approved. So by looking at the RACI matrix as a business analyst or as a project manager, I can identify in case of a conflict, whom should I go to? Or in case I need an approval, whom should I go to? A RACI matrix provides a view of employees' workload as well, as it shows that which functional roles are assigned to each person. For example, the organization or the team can see if all the team members have been utilized efficiently. It's not a plan, but it does provide the distribution of responsibilities amongst the team members. So, a RACI matrix is a useful way of displaying and showing the roles and responsibilities of the stakeholders in the project.